Wentai Technology, a technology-focused enterprise, places a strong emphasis on superior service. They have continuously improved their technical expertise and quality control, all while remaining committed to environmental sustainability. Founded in 1983, Wentai initially manufactured power cords and DC connector cables for domestic and international manufacturers. In 1999, the company shifted its focus to LED power supplies and lighting development, successfully entering the Japanese market. More than 80% of their customers originate from Japan, and they take pride in having renowned leading brands from Germany and Taiwan as their clients. Many of their valued partners have remained loyal for over a decade, thanks to Wentai Technology's emphasis on technology and quality, which resonates with customers and earns their approval. In 2018, an R&D center was established in Taipei, with a primary focus on LED high-wattage power supplies, PC titanium power supplies, and smart lighting applications. Despite the challenges posed by COVID-19, Wentai Technology's earnings have remained strong, reaffirming the trust their customers have in their service and quality. Wentai Technology offers a comprehensive range of services covering SMT, dip, testing, assembly, and packaging. Their facility features state-of-the-art automated equipment, such as selective soldering furnaces, and is furnished with precision testing instruments including X-ray and ICT testing. They excel in stringent quality control and consistently deliver reliable products that instill confidence in customers. Wentai Technology provides advanced OEM, ODM, and EMS manufacturing services. Their experienced engineering, electronics, and software teams in Japan, Taiwan, and China offer end-to-end customization services. This includes designing products based on their blueprints or directly from client designs, from mold creation, prototyping, and testing to mass production. In addition, Wentai holds various international certifications, including ISO 9001, 14001, and IATF 16949. They have also implemented an MES management system to ensure real-time and efficient process control, optimizing production workflows. Wentai has numerous international patents and has received the Taiwan Excellent SMEs Award in recognition of their expertise and achievements in production. The company operates manufacturing facilities in Taiwan, Shenzhen, and Suzhou, specializing in the assembly of lighting and electronic products to meet the demands of global clientele. Amidst the widespread and diverse AI revolution, in 2022, Wentai Technology partnered with a leading domestic IC design firm to introduce an edge computing-based camera sensor that seamlessly integrates into their AIoT framework. Currently, they have developed a wireless power meter data collector, creating a unified and fully automated intelligent lighting environment encompassing sensors, meters, and lighting. As the world increasingly focuses on sustainability, energy consumption, and carbon emissions, Wentai is actively exploring ESG opportunities. In the AI-driven era, stable power supplies are crucial for energy-efficient computing. Whether used for gaming, AI workstations, CPUs, GPUs, or AI cards, a reliable and efficient power supply is indispensable. Wentai's PC power supplies hold dual titanium certifications from 80+ and cybernetics, guaranteeing top-tier conversion efficiency. These power supplies feature Japanese capacitors and industrial-grade GaN components, supporting Gen 5 and ATX3 standards. Additionally, Wentai excels in providing customized solutions, crafting power supplies exceeding 2 kilowatts tailored to the specific needs of their clients.